Okay, what we are doing is Leetcode 138, where we have a copy list with random pointer. Let me just explain the problem. Let's say I am given a linked list, and but right now, the linked list has the value, and then it has the address of the next pointer. But right now, I have a random pointer. This one will point to any node, any random node, okay? And only one node, okay? So only random will only point to any one random node. So this is something to keep in mind. Okay, so for example, this blue arrow indicates where my random points and the black arrow indicates where the next is. And the inside is the values. And right now, oops, this is a sneak peek into the solution. We don't need the current. Okay, so I'm given the head, and then what I must do is that I need to deep copy the whole thing into another linked list and return the head. So I have to create a new linked list and then return the same fucking thing again. Okay, now you can do a shallow copy and we have to do a deep copy. What is the difference between deep and shallow copy? For the shallow copy, you will just create a head and have it follow right here and just loop through it and return it. That is the shallow copy, right? You don't want that. You want the deep copy, meaning you have to create a head too, and everything has to be the same as this guy right here. Okay, now our job, and here's the thing, when you make a deep copy, none of the pointers should point right here. Okay, so the one mistake that I made is I was right on the solution. What you can do is create a map by looping through the linked list, okay, the given list. Now what do you map it to? So the way I mapped it was, first I mapped the random. So I mapped node pointer to node pointer, but I had a one here. Let's say, so the one, because I am looping through it, so I will have a current pointer here, right? Now you see, now current will go until it becomes null. I have a pointer one, and what I mapped it is the random of pointer, and where does this point to? So the random points to null. So I mapped like that. Then I had two of the random, and that mapped to one, and then I had a three, and that random map to uh, 2, right? But here's the thing, this, the way I do the mapping, and then after you do the mapping, you loop through the linked list again, and then you just use the key, right? Just use the key to get the value for random. But here's the thing, it will still be pointing when I create my new list. So I will have a 1 and the next, but the random, when I dereference the random, it's gonna point right here. It won't be pointing to the null pointer. But here's the thing, that is wrong, right? I can't have it because when I dereference the key for the random is the null pointer. This is wrong. This is a mistake that I made, and just for you and me, don't make that mistake because you're making the deep copy. Person who do not know object-oriented programming like me may not understand what that is. So by looking at the solution from the Legends of Leetcode, what the answer is here, that you just create a whole new node when you create a map. Okay, when you created a map, but now you create a copy of the same node. So you will have the same map, node pointer, key, node pointer, value, but now you will have is a node pointer with, let's say, a one, a next, a random, and then the same way you will have a one, the next, and the random. Okay, you loop through it, so the next will be saved here will be 2 nil 2 nil. Oh, right now this just will be, I'm actually, this will just be nothing because then I just creating the same list again and again, right? I don't need to do that. This will be uh, just a nil, and this will be nil. So I'm just making the value, okay, just the value, and the rest is nil. So 2 next random 2 null null. Okay, same with 3 next random 3 null null, right? But here's the thing. Now here's the thing, I have these three nodes, they are deep copy, they have no connection here. But what I need to do is I need to connect them, right? So this one will here, then the random value that will come like here, and then this will go here, and this will go here, right? Now, for that part, I will loop through the current again. So I will put my current over here, because when I was mapping this, I had my current looping, right? And then I just map it normally. But now I have to loop through my current. So you have current here again. You need where the head points, the current point is the same place, and then you do while my current is not null. I will do is MP. So I am just giving the name MP current next. Now, what is my current right now? My current is at 1, and MP current is just 1 with null and null, right? And it's next, so this guy, so it means that this guy will point to MP and then inside cur next. So what is the cur next? Current is 1 and its next is 2. This will point, this null will point to 2. And the same way I have MP current random, this is a very bad word in India, points to MP current, and random. Okay, so what will happen is this current random is a null pointer, so it's gonna look, oh, MP current random is what? My current is 1 and it's random, it's pointing where? Null pointer. Okay, so my answer will be that MP's rand, which is a null right now, it will still be null pointer because it's pointing to null pointer. Okay, let's do the another one more. Okay, one more. Now your current is equal to current next. Okay, this is something always keep in mind. That's how you loop through it. You are here again. Now you have MP car, which is 2, because that is right here, and it's next, that is still null. We are talking right here, this guy, okay, which is null. So 2's next is null, but that is gonna be MP car next. So MP in car next, meaning the keys next. What is the keys next? That is 3, which is going to be 3. So you just made a new copy again. This is 3 right here. And it's random. It's going to be pointing where because I have it, MP ran points where MP current random points. So current random, MP's current random, it points where? It points 2 points right here. So the same value, it's just going to pointing right here. So here's the thing. My map has the same value, and first, all the nodes have no link for the values. Keys have the link. You're just using the keys link to map to change the values, okay? And if you do it that way, you should be able to get it done. It took me a longest time to do this. Oh yeah, and it was very not intuitive at all. You have to return the MP's head, meaning the value head. So you're returning this guy right here, okay? We need something that we need to keep that in mind. All right, that should do it. Yeah, hope you understood it very well. I'll see you later. Bye bye.